it saddens me that the bicameral committee report on the 2025 national budget allocated zero budget for the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation next year. I have expressed my deepest reservations on this decision, and in fact, I also did not sign the bicameral report containing such a provision. Sabi ko nga, dapat lessons learned po ito sa ating naranasan sa panahon ng pandemya. We should invest more in health dahil naniniwala po ko, health is wealth at katumbas po yan ng buhay ng bawat Pilipino. Maalala ko lang po noong 2019 during budget deliberation, ang binawasan po ng pondo ang RITM. Hindi po ako pumayag. Pinabalik po natin ito at dinagdagan natin. And who would expect pagdating ng March 7, nag-declare po ng state of health emergency at ang RITM, ang pinaka-importanting opisina, nagkakandak ng test na pinapadala pa sa Australia and it took them 1 week. Ibig sabihin dito, dapat ay mag-invest tayo sa health. Lessons learned po ito para sa atin. Di ba tayo nadala dito?